Hi students, so in this class we are going to discuss about the types of charging systems. Okay, so before going in depth into the charging system of automobile, let us discuss about the things which we have seen in our previous class. Okay, so Surya, can you recap the previous session?
Transferred to the motor and the wheel can rotate. That's what transmission is for.
Okay, so that's a good recap. So in previous class we have detailed discussed about what is a charging system. So charging system is the main electrical system that available in our automobile in order to recharge the electrical requirements. Okay, so we are using many electrical components like lights, lighting system, starting system, ignition system. So many kind of electrical system that we are using. For that we need a current. So we need a charging system in order to have a electricity without any force. Okay, so in this class we are going to see about the types. Okay, so normally this particular charging system it is broadly divided into two types. So the first is the DC, that means a DC generator. Okay, we normally call it as a dynamo, right? And the next is the AC, we normally call it as an alternator. Okay, so these are the broad classification of our charging system. Now first we will discuss about the DC, which is nothing but a dynamo. Okay, so have you heard about the dynamo? Which is used in previous vehicles. Okay, in at present condition DC is not used. Okay, so DC dynamos are not used. It is completely replaced by the alternators. Okay, so this DC generators are used in the previous vehicles. Okay, could anyone say how this particular generator works? What is the basic principle of a generator? Can you spell out what are the components involved in the generator? Basically,
it has oils.
good.
Battery.
Good, very good.
Oil.
Super, very good. So normally the generator mainly consists of two main parts. So one is the stator and another is the rotor. So stator is a stationary part, is nothing but a magnet, permanent magnet, and rotor part is nothing but the armature, a iron core which is has some windings, windings. So with that, the help of electromagnetic induction force, we are generating the power, electricity, and through the carbon dust we are taking out and we are storing, so that we will see later part. Okay, so that's the basic working of a generator. So what generator does? It converts the mechanical energy into a electrical energy. So we are giving the input as a mechanical energy. So in car, if we are taking the input from the engine and we are giving the generator as an input. So it receives the input as a mechanical energy and through the electromagnetic induction converts into the electrical energy. So this is the simple working of a generator. Same thing is happening here in DC generator also. Okay, so here same the stator part is available and the rotor part is also available. So the input is taken as mechanical energy and the electromagnetic, due to the electromagnetic induction. So we are getting the output as the electrical energy. So that particular electrical energy is directly stored in the battery for the later uses. Okay, so that is the DC current or which is used in the early stage, we call it as a dynamo. Okay, so before going into the second day, we will undergo some tasks. Okay, so surveys, I am requesting you to perform today's task. So the task for today is you should perform a 1-minute speech on the topic of the scope of charging stations in India. It's a trending topic, so I like to share your points regarding it.
So in India they are many, but not enough remaining charging stations. So it is as a particular way will vary from. So charging stations are very less in India. So they can charge at their home only. And when they take to a long drive or a long drive, so they cannot charge their vehicle. So India doesn't have a sufficient charging stations.
Yeah, good. Very good, sir. That was a good speech regarding this. Very good. Okay, so we will resume the only these popular vehicles. It is used in railway stages, but it has many several disadvantages because we cannot produce more amount of current, and the required amount of current is the amount of current produced by this particular DC is very less, which cannot be used for all the electrical components. So, in order to replace that, we are using the AC generator, which is called as the alternator. Okay, so the same working purpose as DC generators, this particular AC also will go. Same consist of stator, same consist of rotor, all each and everything is same, but the output will be different. Okay, so here if you take in DC, the input will be mechanical engineering, the output will be the electrical signal in the form of DC current. But here in AC, the input is same in mechanical energy, but the output in the form of AC current, alternating current. As we know, the alternating current is sinusoidal. Okay, so that's the difference. So here the current produces the alternating current. Okay, but here there is an extra component is adding in this particular AC because in batteries we cannot store the AC current. In battery you can store only the DC current. So here we need to convert this particular AC into DC. So for that we are using one of the important component that we call it as a rectifiers. We normally hear the term bridge rectifier, right? So this particular rectifier it converts AC into DC, so that we can store the DC current in the battery for daily uses. Okay, so that's all the types of charging system. So before ending the session, let us end up with the summary. Okay, okay, so let's summarize the session.
Yes, sir. Today we have seen about DC and AC type of charging system. In DC, which is used in the old type of cars, which is similarly called as dynamo. It can generate with less amount of current, so it's not using now latest generation of cars. But when it's compared to AC is more productive and more useful to the latest generation of cars. AC uses the rectifier kind of mechanism to convert the energy. Whereas DC, only the DC current can be stored in the battery, but not as AC. So it uses the rectifier.
Yeah, very good. That's very good summary. Okay, so that's all.